Please consult with your physician before starting a diet, exercise, or nutritional plan. Welcome, Landmine squats. The best squat you're probably not doing. Excellent for beginners. Easy on the joints. Works a surprising number of muscles. I'm going to walk through with you the benefits, the muscles worked, the proper form, and how to do it. So I'll see you outside. Now let's go over the benefits. Landmine squats are excellent for beginners. The movement teaches correct form in an easily accessible way. Here's what you need to know. Landmine squats are the solution for lifters who can't squat correctly because of joint pain or mobility problems. That doesn't mean that landmine squats are for everyone. Depending on the nature and severity of the knee pain, you might have to take a much gentler approach, such as the swimming pool. This exercise works a surprising number of muscles, such as the trapezius, the deltoids, the scapular stabilizers, the obliques, the rector abdominals, the quadriceps, the glutes, the hamstrings. Here's how to perform a landmine squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold the bar against your chest. Engage your core and lengthen your spine as you squat down. Stop when your thighs are parallel to the floor. Engage your glutes and legs as you return to the starting position.